So we talk about convexity, we talk about convertible bond market, the size of convertible bond market, the liquidity of convertible bond market, the performance of the CB compared to the other asset classes, the behavior in terms of risk profile of convertible bond. So a lot of questions that allow to cover the market, the convertible bond market. Talking about convexity, so we try to explain what would be the behavior of convertible bond compared to equity and fixed income asset classes. And because convertible bond did well year to date, so investors should be interested in these asset classes. My asset class is not an easy asset class, so explaining convertible bond is not something easy, but when we explain convexity, when we explain that convertible bond has a bond floor and an optionality to capture the equity market rise, so this is something that could be interesting for the asset allocation portfolio strategy. Through this number of questions, so clearly investors are interested in it. The question clearly is to know when buy a convertible bond, and we think this is a good time to do it and to go through convertible bond. Convertible bond is not so popular in all countries in Europe. But remember, so you have a lot of issue coming from France, but you have also a lot of issue coming from Deutschland, like Deutsche Wohnen, Leg Immobilien. So you have a number corporate in Germany that issue convertible bond. So among our universe, Germany, for example, is a second market in Europe for convertible bond issuance. But that's true among the investors. It's not so popular. So my work is to explain how convertible bond work and what is the interest to put convertible bond in portfolio. So clearly, convertible bonds allow to diversify a portfolio by enhancing the risk profile of a portfolio. So with convertible bond, you have something that is near equity performance like over the long run with 2 times less volatility. So the product is very, very efficient over the long run. And at this time, this is true because you have at the end of September a performance near equity market performance and better than fixed income product with less volatility than the equity. So clearly, investors should have a special look or look on this asset class. There are a lot of questions concerning for my asset classes, and investors made the same observation than me. Convertible bond performance did quite well year to date. And I am here to give her the explanation of this. It's not magic. It is because convertible bond has a convex behavior. So you capture a part of the equity rise when equity markets rise. But because you have a bond floor, of course I assume that there is no credit risk in my thinking, you have a bond floor. So you have an asymmetric move with convertible bond. You catch a good part of the rise of the equity market, but with the bond floor, you can protect your gain over the long run. So this is the convexity, and this behavior allows you to have something comparable to equity market over the long run. Yes, this format of meeting is quite good because it is very interactive. People are not afraid to ask questions, and we are very free to answer them. So. And I like this interaction because people can ask questions to have some answer for sure, but and to generate more interaction with this kind of meeting.